Good morning. I am working on curriculum still. I know that I thought they would be uploaded by now, but it's really a lot more work than I anticipate. I always think something's going to be easier than it is, or maybe I just complicate it because I'm a perfectionist. And then even then it's not perfect, so don't have any delusions. But I am still working on the K through 2 and the 3 through 5th curriculum packets. They were completed, but then I decided to expand them since the pre-K preschool one had, I think, 12 pages of activities. I wanted to make sure that these were just as beefy. And I'm creating 2 additional packets. One is called Build a City. It is a basic project packet that helps learners build a paper city. I'm reading off of it. It helps learners build a paper city using printable 3D building templates. Kids practice cutting, folding, sequencing, and creativity while learning simple city concepts. So I wanted to just kind of show you what we were doing here real quick. I had some young friends over from friends that come regularly to my Summer Monkey Buddies Fun Fridays. Their mom allows them to come, and I can take pictures of them that I could put on my social media sites and things like that. So they are also the perfect ages. There is a kindergartner, a 4th grader, and a 5th grader. And then there's a tiny tot. She's, I think, 3 years old, and she contributes also, but she contributes in a very different way. Let me see if I can find. Oh, here's one of her contributions. So here is one of my templates for folding, and this could be shortened. That's why it's the maximum length or height, I should say, and it can be shortened as the buildings are identified and built. But her contribution is so cute. So so I've got the templates, and here's kind of one. Well, we did a couple of them. So here's one. We colored it, and then we cut it and folded it. This is a schoolhouse, and it has my little friend put some bricks on it. There's a playroom. You can see up here this says math, and this will be folded. The top gets folded down for stability, and it gets folded, and then an end cap gets placed on it. And here's just a typical end cap. And then one of my friends built a firehouse. It says gate 3 and gate 4. There's the end cap that comes on and off. End cap. And they just set up, the kids can build their own roads and streets, and they just set up just real basic. Again, they're reinforced because they're clipped and folded. So it's 2 layers, not just one. Real simple to glue, really fun. I did one. I'm super proud of this. So I put the front door on the back, and I put the windows on the front. So yeah, anyhow, this is a high-rise apartment. Blue, get out of there. Leave my stuff alone, my pup. So this packet's really cool, really fun. 3D paper building stem pack. I will do some other packs as well. I want to do farm. I want to do a rural environment. I want to do a neighborhood. So, you know, just kind of a build a city, build a town, build a dwelling, build a place for people to live. So this is one of the things we're working on. The other thing I'm working on, and I'm just finishing up, is Bubble Science. And that's going to be published not only on Etsy, but also on Amazon. And I am looking forward to getting that up. It is almost done as well. Everything's just almost done. It's pretty cool because last year in our Monkey Buddy Summer, we did Fun Fridays last year. We did Bubble Science, and it was super cool. The kids really loved it. We made bubbles out of 3 different kinds of solutions, and we had a base, and then we had our variables we put in, and it's pretty cool. So I am looking forward to finishing that, and that again will go up on Etsy, and it will go up on Amazon as a booklet. These are like mini curriculums. However, I will offer all of these to you guys for free for a limited time. I'll maybe for a month or so, and you guys will have a shot at them for free before they have to be purchased. They'll be available for purchase, but you guys get free. So, all right. I think that's about it. I need to go make some chili for some friends that had surgeries, and I'm going to finish up these curriculums, and it is holiday. It is Martin Luther King Day. Very thankful for him and for what he contributed to our country, and very sad that he lost his life, but I will look forward to seeing him in heaven. So have a great afternoon, and I will see you again soon.